boy. Tapping back in with y'all. Got another little video remix I'm about to do. Went junkyard hunting today and picked up a couple things that I can use for the Imp. So I got some more panel parts that I'm gonna replace. So I got them, all the plastic trims. I got this kick part. I got another trim that go over here. And then I got some more sauce to add to the mix. Hit a lick on me some smoked out tail lights. So these is gonna go on there. These gonna look real good. So this gonna be a short video. It ain't gonna be too long, but I just want to show I hit a lick today on a nice junkyard find. So I'm gonna do a lot of cosmetic stuff. I'm switching this out right here. I'm about to take these out, and once I take these out, I'm about to spray paint them black because I want everything to look, you know what I'm saying, pretty stock. So, but I'm gonna do it before and after of these. Once I put these on there, and then show y'all exactly what I'm talking about. The reason why I had to get those panels, because as you can see, the ones that I replaced temporarily is cracked. So that's the reason why I got some more to do that. And then, as you can see, I want to cover up all these wires and stuff down here. So that's where that kick panel come from. I got something to cover that up. Excuse me. No COVID, no Rona. As you can see, chrome spokes. And this one right here. You can see how that one kind of all cracked up. So I'm getting it together. I want something nice and smooth. Everything gonna be uniform, looking good. I'm really on it, man, because I'm trying to do this, get myself ready for this car show, man. And I think I'm gonna bring it out. I think I'll bring the Impala out. Not trying to win nothing, don't get me wrong, with the Imp, even though it's pretty clean, but shit, I'm proud of my accomplishment so far, so I think it's worthy of bringing it out. But I can't wait to put these in there. They gonna look so good. Ooh, they gonna look so good. Man, it's gonna look nice. But this one's definitely gonna be in the show for sure. So I'm just tapping in with y'all, doing this quick little video and stuff. I'm also gonna probably do my calipers and paint them red too. So see, I gotta do the brakes. I got some more stuff I'm about to do, as you can see. Anybody y'all know about them wire wheels? Let's see. Yeah, I don't know, I might change it up. I got a couple of them, so, but I'm gonna check back with y'all in a minute, so I'll show y'all the after results. As you can see, I don't have to use no more vice grips. No vice scripts, rather. I got some new ones. Trunk stays up by itself. So, out with these old raggedy motherfuckers, because these bitches they compress and don't hold. New ones, as you can see. There we go. My hood stay up. So, on to more restorations. Tap in with y'all in a second. As you can see, my panel's dry. Looking good, nice and crispy. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. They're looking good. So, time to get these motors off and replace these broken ones. So, I'll show y'all in a minute when I'm finished. These Nice and gray. All right, y'all. As you can see, I'm back. I just want to show everybody the panels. I had to put this back in there, and I had to spray that one because I didn't have that one. That was missing. So I put that back in there and also sprayed that. This is a new kick trim that's on the floor. It's more nice and matching gray. This is up under the steering wheel. I didn't have one of these, so I replaced that one and sprayed that. That's nice and clean, smooth. I also did some touch-ups on my seat a little bit too, so it's a neutral material. See, these the old ones. All kicked and broken and shit, so no, that's trash. It's the one on the passenger side. See, that one all nice and smooth, laid down. Also fixed that one too. That one wasn't on there. I'll put the bulbs in them later. And then I did my radio trim because it was, all you could see was the metal around it. So now I got a plastic trim to cover up that metal. So nice clean look. So I'm satisfied. It looks good right now. Definitely. When I look up under it, see, nice and clean. That's what I'm talking about. Then I also put the kick panel up under here, so I didn't have one up under there because I don't want nobody sitting on this side exposing my wires, kicking the wires. So everything Gucci, everything looking good. So I'm satisfied with it. I'm happy, for sure happy. So, last but not least, time to do the tail lights. Oh yeah, can't wait to do that. It's gonna look good. I can't wait. So I'm gonna tap back in with y'all in a minute once I get these prepped and put in, cause I'm about to paint that black. And then I'm good. Cause anybody that know, you know, Caprice Classics got the chrome trim, but the Impalas had them blacked out. So that one peeling on that one. I'm about to go ahead and take these out and spray these. But I'll check back with y'all in a second once I finish this. All right, and this one of them, one of my little trims that more nice and black. Oh yeah, you see it, the way the sun hitting off of it. Yeah, that joint gonna look good. I'm gonna do the other one in a minute, but I'm gonna just go ahead and do one at a time while I work on the other one. All right, y'all, I just finished up. Let me know what y'all think. Man, I love it. That shit looks sweet. Ooh. Smoked out tail lights. Ooh-wee. It definitely make this motor look a whole lot different. Yeah. That shit crazy. Yeah, I like this one. I'm gonna go drop me some LEDs, and I got one LED I had, but I'm gonna put me another one in there. But yeah, I definitely like the way this one looks. It's for sure, this for sure made this motor slap. Alright, now I want to do my calipers. I'm gonna paint these nuts red and do my brakes in the front. So I'll probably save that for another little video, another update. But once again, I appreciate for y'all for checking in, tapping in with a boy, following me. If this is your first time watching my video, be sure to hit that like, comment, and definitely subscribe. If you get a chance to, hit that notification bell, man, so that way every time I get an update or every time I drop a video, y'all be able to check it out. So once again, it's your boy Motorcity Nique. I'm tapping out with another video. I'll holler at you in a minute. Peace. One time for the one time. Ooh-wee. What it do, y'all? Still doing more restorations. But I go ahead and knock out these brakes real quick. And on top of that, I'm about to paint these calipers. So I'm about to red these calipers. But just showing y'all a little before and after. This the before. I'll tap you in when I finish. One down, 3 to go. See that red caliper back there? Might be able to zoom in a little bit. Yeah. Okay. I like. 3 more to go. All right, on to the left side. It's looking real good. Nice and wet. Make the job a lot easier, covering up the rotor. Spray it and make it match. Looks pretty good. Now I gotta do the other ones. All right, y'all, it's finally done. I got all calipers done. I don't know if you can see it. Kind of hard to see, but maybe from a distance, you can kind of see all 4 black calipers are red. Right behind it. So, looks good. These are my smoke tail lights. So, happy about these. These looking good. All I gotta wait for is my headlights, like this one. So, once I get these smoke clears and get rid of them, I'll be all right. But it's your boy Motorcity Nique, checking out with another video. Don't forget, hit that like, comment, subscribe, tap in that notification bell so you can join the Motorcity crew. Stay up to date with all my restoration and details on this 94 Impala. All right, I'll holler at y'all. I'm out. Peace.